Hutayan Reddy. Inside. Score 8-3. Lima na ang lamang ng blue team. Now serving, Hutayan Reddy. Outside. Score 8-4. Lamang pa rin ang black. Blue. Service by Alex. Bradley. Jobel. Pinagkay Jutara. Good ball. Not over. Score 8-5. Lamang pa rin ang blue team. Alex is setting on low. Now 30. Jay Jutala. Donnie Ray. Sinat niya Archer kanino? John Leg.
Kulit ng mukha eh.
Service by Kevin. Inside. Dalawa na lang para maman ng blue team. Service by Kevin. Redley. Jobel, sinat kanino? O, Jobel, Janela. Kevin. Sinat ni Archer kay Janela tulit. Outside. Score 10-7 in favor of blue team. Service by Isidro. Donnie Ray. Sinat kay Jalet. Crossing by Jalet. Now serving Isidro. Alex, and then, pinatay Donnie Ray. Inside. Score 11-8 na mga pali ng blue team ng tatlo. Service by Ayan Aure. Outside. Service by Capella. Service by Bronzy. Fast. Yeah. Service by Bronzy. Jamela. Bronzy. Jamela. Not over. Score 13-9. In favor of blue team. Service by Bieber. Jamela, sa Keredli. Sinat ni Janlet kanino? Kay Donnie Ray, over. Mikey, Jobel, sinat kay Mikey. Archer, Alex, kay Donnie Ray. Check ball. Score 13-9. Service by Clarissa. Not over. Score 14-10. Apat ang lamang ng blue team. Service by Gia Morato. Don. Donnie Ray. Mikey. Sidro, sinat kay Redley. Don Makadibi. Gia Morato. Sinat kay outside. Service by Dimaco Lamas. Outside. Score 15-11. Service Archel service. Jamela. Isa. Wow, ganda na malamang ng blue team. Service by Archel Montecillo. Not over. Apat na ang kalamangan ng blue team. Service by Mikey, aka Michelle Gumabaw. Donnie Ray, Archer, kanino? Jake, Pedro, Rapol, Danlek. Score 17-12, lamang pa rin ang blue team. Service by Mikey. Donnie Ray, inside. Score 17-13, lamang pa rin blue team. Service by Donnie Ray. Outside. Score 18-13, lima ang kalamangan ng blue team. Service by Redley. Janlex. Archer, sinat kanino? Archer, sinat kay Janlex. Redley. Sinat kay Janela. Donnie Ray. Archer, sinat kay Janlex. Inside. Jobel, sinat kay Jamela. Not over. Alex, Doc, Jobel, pinagti Jamela. Ronnie Ray, Archer. Jamela, Pedro, pinagti Jamela. Check ball. Score 19-14, lima pa rin ang lamang ng blue team. Service by Don Makandili. Donnie Ray, sirat ni Archer kay Eya na uli. Eya! Dadependahan, Archer, sirat kay Janlex. Bibe, Archer, sirat ulit kay Janlex. Check ball. Score 98-15. Magandang hapon po kay Kapitan. Mikey, Jobel, sila kay Jamela. Donnie Ray. Donnie Ray pinalo. Redley. Jake, iyo over ni Jamela. Ay ni Jobel. Archer, isisat kanino? Double contact. Serving by Isidro. Now serving. Janlex. Not over. Score 21-16, lamang pa rin ang blue team. Now serving. Isidro. Donnie Ray. Archer, sinatino. Jamela. Isidro, sinatino. Outside. Score 21-16, lamang pa rin ang blue team. Now serving. Arazon, Janlex. Janlex. Now serving. Isidro. Jobel. Outside. Score 21-17, lamang pa rin ang blue team. Now serving. Janlex. Not over. Score 22-17, in favor of blue team. Now serving. Bronny James, Jamela. Janlex. Archer, pinet kay Donnie Ray. Drop ball. Jobel. Jamela yung over. Archer, pinet kay Donnie Ray. Black by Joy. White 17. Now 30. Jamela. Jamela. The leg. Not over. Last 17. We are going to third set. Jamela. The leg. Archer Sinatenno. Set ball. Last 8. Hello, my check. Hello. Service by Bibe. 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 Paso. Now.